Hi everyone, well my paper pumpkin just arrived. This is the Delicate Wings April 2024 paper pumpkin kit. Here we go. So our spot is basic gray and our stamp is a beautiful butterfly. There's a sheet that's got a picture image of it so that you'll be able to see it better, but there are a couple butterflies here. There is an add-on die for $12 that I had, and then I sold them all, so I don't have them anymore. I'll have to get another one. But it's a really pretty butterfly die that cuts out a detailed butterfly, which means that it has like openings and laciness to the wings. Okay, ooh, look at how pretty. This is a very elegant kit. A lot of times the paper pumpkin kits are different each month, and this one has a real different look to it, and I really like it. I don't know that we've had one that looks quite this elegant in a while. Sometimes they're real fun, cutesy. Sometimes they're have different feels. So this is a 2-week tear tape. This is dimensionals. Look at these envelopes. I was just kind of like tongue-tied because I was staring at them. So you get 9 of the same envelopes. 1, 2, yep. And then here, look at these card bases. So here's one of them. That's a card base. Looks like Lost Lagoon. Here's another one. This one's Speckles. So it's gold foil splatter, gold foil on Lost Lagoon, and this looks like gold foil on basic gray. Really pretty. So here is some other elements. These wings. Now these wings kind of pop up. They pop out, but they don't come completely out. So there's the body of the butterfly stays on the base here. So it just kind of pops up a little bit. And how pretty is that? Okay, so you've got a few. It already has kind of the words on it. Here's some elements. Look at that. So I wonder if this is gold or maybe champagne foil. It's not quite so goldy. I think maybe more champagne. This has the foiling around the edges. All these beautiful elements. Ooh, look at all these butterflies. Okay, lots and lots of butterflies. Oh, and some little glue dots. So where is our info sheet? All right, here's that stamp sheet. So like I'm saying, there's 2 butterflies. Sending loving thoughts your way. Everything will be okay. Surrounding you with love. Delicate Wings stamp set. Really pretty. And here are what the cards look like in the end. So there's 3 different cards, 3 each of each design, and just beautiful, beautiful kit. Truly a really beautiful kit. And here are your instructions. So this is a really pretty one. If you missed this one and wish you got it, I always get a few extras. So let me know if you want one, and I will see if I still have one by the time you ask me. If you missed past kits, let me know. Or you want to see about those add-on butterflies. I will put links to the Paper Pumpkin subscription in my video description, and you can become a subscriber. If you want, you can do subscription month to month, which means every month it just kind of automatically gets debited out of your account, and you get one automatically every month. You never miss one. They've been really fantastic. And then, or another way to do it is to buy a prepaid amount. Like you can say, I want to get 6 months worth and I want to pay for it all at one time. And then you can just redeem those for the next 6 months. You can skip a month if you decide that, maybe that you're not going to be celebrating Christmas, for example. You want to skip the November kit, or maybe you want to skip the October kit, or something. You just want to take a month off because you're going to be on vacation and it'll just sit on your doorstep. So you can do stuff like that too, and skip it and make the prepaid ones last even longer. So contact me with any paper pumpkin questions you may have, or if you want to get the memorable, let's see, Delicate Wings collection. You always have to get the kits the 10th of the month they send out. So if you, like right now, it's past the 10th and I just got mine, so that means you cannot get one new anymore unless they have leftover, and they post those around the 20th if they have some leftovers, or sometimes they have refills. So maybe you loved this kit so much you already have the stamp set and the little ink, but you just want refills of all the paper parts, the elements that are needed to put the cards together. You can sometimes do those too, and you just have to look at the paper pumpkin section on the online store, and I'll put a link to that in my video description as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.